Hello.
A very good evening, students. So today is the last day for Code India Code for your grades, and I think you all enjoyed as well. Students, please stop sharing. And so on the end of today's session, you'll receive the assessment also, where you have to fill up that form. I'll tell you how to fill that form also before, so that it will be easier for you. So within tomorrow night, you have to fill that form to get a certificate from Code India Code. Okay?
Good evening, everyone. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, that's great. So, children, we had promised that today we will do. I'll tell you about merge cubes. I hope you have your cubes ready. Bear with me for 2 more minutes. Then I'll reach in a good network zone, and my network will be better. So, I'm also putting the link of YouTube video in the chat window. In case you are unable to hear me, you can watch that video by clicking on the link from the chat window, and then I'll explain what is to be done, right? So I'm giving the link in the chat window. So those of you who have merge cubes with you, you can test this. What first? Let me explain. So the video link that I have given it to you, I am So basically this is about Merge Cube. So what is Merge Cube? Merge Cube is like an augmented reality toy. Now what to do with that toy? You can either order Merge Cube from Amazon or Merge website. Else you can, as I told you, that you can from Google write A4 printable Merge Cube sheet. You can print the Merge Cube and then paste it on a rubric cube that you have at home to make a Merge Cube for yourself at home. And if you have a very thick paper, you can print it on the paper, and then also you can make a Merge Cube out of the paper only, right? So it's an augmented reality toy. Once your cube is ready, then what you can do is, after your cube is ready, you can download certain apps. So there is one app related to Galaxy for Merge Cube. So if you download that app in your phone and you scan the Merge Cube using that particular app, then it will show you solar system in your hand. Just watch the same in this video and try to have a glimpse. Yes, I'm just showing through the screen. So have a look at this.
Teaching aids have been around forever because students can learn better when they can hold and inspect physical objects. This is especially true for science and STEM concepts, since they tend to be abstract and complex. Introducing Merge EDU. Merge EDU provides a powerful and hands-on alternative to physical teaching aids that lets students touch and interact with digital 3D content in a natural and intuitive way. And to learn more, let's look at Merge EDU for science. Students will get access to over 1,000 hands-on digital teaching aids, which are just as effective as physical models for learning. The digital teaching aids cover concepts like geology, microbiology, plant and animal structures, life cycles, insects, rocks and minerals, and more. It's like providing your students an infinite shelf of tangible objects they can inspect, teaching. Students will also get access to over 100 hands-on science simulations that include integrated quizzes and standards-aligned activity plans designed for remote and in-class learning. These interactive simulations allow your students to do things like separate the layers of Earth and interact with tectonic plates, inspect human body systems, magnify components of a chromosome, build a water molecule, and experiment with force and motion. With Merge EDU for science, your students will be able to learn in ways that are otherwise impossible. But it doesn't end with science. Now let's look at STEM. STEM teachers can teach engineering concepts using 3D models and simulations, and students can collaborate virtually or at school using a variety of engineering design-centric STEM projects. By optimizing the 3D design and engineering process, Merge EDU helps students get feedback faster and discover problems quicker, both in and out of the classroom.
So this was a small video which was showing the power of Merge Cube. Actually, it's a toy sort of thing. Once you download the special app and you scan your toy using that app, you will see many things coming out of your way. For is, I'm just giving the name. It's for solar system, and so those of you who have the Merge Cube with you, you can download this app. I'll paste its name and the link. So it's gigantic app, I think. You can search on the app store or Play Store. Its name is Galactic Explorer. I am putting the name in the chat window. Merge Cube is better. The software is free, but you have to buy either the Merge Cube toy or you have to make it yourself by printing a sheet and then sticking it on to a normal cube which can be available at your home, rubric cube or something. So the name of the app is Galactic Explorer. So I'm giving you this link also. There are 10 best Merge Cube gaming apps also. So if you go to, these apps, download them in your mobile phones, and then you scan them using your own Merge Cube. So if you are on a laptop, when you know run a merge cube apps, so either you can scan it through a tablet or you can scan it through a phone. If you are scanning through phone, you can say mobile mode, else you can go in VR mode also. It's not like that it's just for Windows. It would run for all kind of devices. It's basically the apps have to be downloaded from app merge cube or from App Store or Play Store. That's it. So here are multiple apps given. You can try making one of those. I'll show you just one more example video and then we will do an activity. Right? So I'm just going to show one more video. I'm going to give the link of that. Okay, just let me. Now just see this.
Hello, I'm Justin Gonzalez and welcome to It Worked, where I'll be looking at educational apps, tech, and projects that work in the classroom. Today, we're going to take another look at the Merge Cube and the top apps to use with it in the classroom. If you aren't familiar with the Merge Cube, you can click on the video card above to check out my other video that I did on the Merge Cube. There are several apps already available for the Merge Cube, and there's several more on the way. In this video, we'll look at 6 apps that you can use right now and 2 that are coming soon. Stay tuned at the end of this video to hear about an opportunity to win a huge giveaway. You don't want to miss it. The first app that we will discuss is 57 Degrees North. 57 Degrees North is available on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store for $2.99. 57 North takes students on an
So students, I think it's breaking. So what you can do is,
the graphics are
I'm
amazing
giving you
and
the link in the
intriguing
chat
for students
window.
exploring this app.
You can watch it at your PC. So here you have the link in case it's
The next app
breaking
that
for
we'll
you.
discuss is Dino Digger, which is available on the App Store or Google Play Store for $1.99. In Dino Digger, students explore what it is like being a paleontologist as they discover fossils of dinosaurs. Once they complete the skeleton of a dinosaur, they are able to see the dinosaur come to life right in the palm of their hand. The next 4 apps are available on the App Store or Google Play Store for free. Students can also discover interesting facts as they navigate from planet to planet. In the app, missed games or activities
There's a small internet glitch. I'm sorry, we'll resume back in 1 minute.
Sushmita ma'am, I will explain. I am just shifting to a better network zone. Meanwhile, if you can tell them about the curiosity
Hello,
camp.
I'm Justin
Sure,
Gonzalez.
sure. Yes. So students, so ma'am doesn't have a good internet connection, so she'll just be back in another 3-4 minutes. So meanwhile, I'm on the chat box, I'm sharing you the assessment form. Okay, so this is an assessment form which you have to fill before tomorrow night. Okay, this will help you assess how much you know about coding, or it's just a like simple coding attitude. By the end of the thing, you'll also get a small score. So after you submit this form to that email address, we will give you the certificate for participating in Code India Code. And also after the after filling up the form, we have on the summer camp, in the summer holidays, we have this wonderful program called as Curiosity Summer Camp, which will be, you know, like fun filled with for your age group students. It will be separate, and each person will learn different programs for their own age. Okay, sorry, I think assessment form link, 1 second. One second, students. So here's the form. Sorry for the previous link. Right, so just keep this aside, keep this open and keep it aside. So before tomorrow night, you'll also find this link in the YouTube description later on today. And after this, you will have a Curiosity Summer Camp, which starts from April 4th onwards and will be, till June. So whenever you think or you have holidays and you're free, you can join the camp, where it's not only coding, it's of different programs. I'll just share my screen to show you the glimpse about what you learn in the Curiosity Camp as well. So all the details are here in the Super Teacher website. What you learn, you'll get a certificate from IIT Bhubaneswar. So grade 2 to KG to grade 2 will learn origami, abacus, designing your own game. So it will be a one-on, like very few students in a batch. So we'll have a personal interaction as well, and each student will be able to create the apps, and they'll learn machine learning model, 3D modeling. There are a lot more things which you can learn. So grade 3 to 5 students will learn abacus, 3D fantasy world, that is 3D modeling, machine learning model, and also developing a utility app. Okay, the lower grades will learn this. So if there are any parents out there, please check out the website superteacher.in and you'll have all the details. They're also for higher grades, but as you are, from grade KG to grade 5, this is for you. So you can just go to the join now button and fill in your details and register. And you can also use the promo code CIC20 for 20% discount. CIC20. I posted on chat as well. That is for 20% discount whenever you are free to enroll. But once the batch is full, we cannot get you into the batch. I hope everything is clear. And we'll just wait for 2 more minutes for Sonia ma'am to come back. Karthikeyan, stop spamming. I'm posting the assessment form again in the chat. So a few students are asking me about the fee. So the fee is actually 4,000. So the program is for 3 weeks, where the whole curriculum and everything is there in the website. Where you'll get on this 4,000, you'll get a 20% discount. So just check on that, and it will be up to maybe 3,200. So it'll be a very fun. You can just check it out in the website for all the details.
Thank you, Sushmita. Can you hear me now better?
Yes.
Okay, bacha. I request everybody to go to a URL, which I am pasting in the chat box. And I'll show you a fun AR app. It's called Scroogly.com. I have given the link and I am sharing my screen. Can you see the screen? But for uploading certificate, I'm just giving the link. Once you are on this app, click the start button. And then you have to choose a shape. That shape will represent your doodle, right? Then click on next. Now you have to move your body the way you want your character to move. So for example, I'll turn off my camera on Zoom so that it can take me on Scroogly. Oh, I can see Shashwat making faces. Now it is unable to access. I will retry. Now, once it will take my camera, it will take my face. It takes little time to get you in the camera. Now, suppose if I don't want my background, I can turn off my background and I can select my doodle. This is little slow. Suppose I'm turning my background off. Now I have turned my background off. I don't want background. And I'm selecting a character for myself. So this is the character that represents me. Now I'll hit the record button. And suppose if I'm dancing, my character will also dance. If I'm singing, my character will also sing. If I jump, my character will also jump. So I'm hitting the recording button and I'll start to do some actions. So if I'm doing hands up and if I'm doing clapping, my character would also clap. I can make it do whatever I want. So if I am shaking my body, it is also shaking. So this is my doodle. Once I've recorded my doodle, I can download it as a GIF. Right, so I've done some action in the recording time. Now I can say save.
and I can export it as a GIF. So when I'm exporting it as a GIF, so for example, if it is your friend's birthday, you want to send him a dancing doodle and saying that it's you dancing for your friend's birthday. So you can make a doodle like this and send it by downloading as a GIF. Interesting. How many of you could try? Could you try making your own GIF, your own doodle? Good. Good, Uday, if you could do it. Nishita, good. So it's making my doodle. And then once it will be completed, here it is. So I can download. So it's downloaded. Like I send any normal GIF on WhatsApp or something, I can send this also. So I can write, put a background music, make a reel out of it for Insta, record some voice and use it the way I want to. Clear? Right? So this is another application of using AR, VR. I would want all of you to take 2-3 minutes and put your doodles in the chat window, or at least, let me see if you can put in the chat window. So in the chat, you can, I'm uploading mine. You can try uploading yours so that we can see. Aditya, try uploading that in the chat window. Like I have sent mine one. You can send yours also in the chat window. Those who have made, please try sending. Okay. I'm just keeping an eye on the chat window. Just let me know how many of you could understand this. Is there any difficulty? Is there anyone who could not understand? And you want me to show again? Is it clear for everyone? Okay. Hardik, you want help? Should I explain it once again? Please type in the chat window if you want me to explain again. And if it's clear, then I can show you another activity. And it's not on Doodle, beta. Its address is scroogle.com. It's a web app, not a mobile app. I'm showing it's scroogly.com. I have given the URL in the chat window earlier also. I'm giving once again. So let me just show. The name of the app is Scroogly. Scroogly.com. Right? So I am putting the link in the chat window once again. It's scroogly.com. Clear? Is this clear to everyone? If page is coming unresponsive, maybe you have to wait, because in my case also, it takes little time to load your camera. So you have to be a little patient. If it goes unresponsive, refresh it, but it takes some little time, extra time, right? Now let's go to another activity. This app is called 3D Bear. You can download the 3D Bear app, or what you can do is, you can go to 3dbear.io. It's also for immersive experiences. So select 3dbear.io. And here, this is 3D Bear. You can download the 3D Bear on App Store or Play Store. I would show you an intro video how 3D Bear is used, and then we would see what we can do. So I'm showing you a video and giving its link also in the chat window.
Hey, I don't have to travel to my school.
Hi, first time in 3D Bear. We'll get you a quick tour how to get started. 3D Bear app works on Android and iOS devices. Once you've installed and opened the app, it's good to sign up to create an account. Use Google or other sign up to make it quick and easy. Next, let's start to design your first AR scene. Tap the plus button to open the editor. There are hundreds of models in various collections. Once you've found your favorite, tap and place it in front of you. It's good to go and place the model where you wanted it to be, and then take a few steps back if needed. You can move the model, rotate, scale, and many other things while your model is selected. Once you've satisfied with the scene, press and hold the camera button to start recording a video. Great, now the AR video is ready. To make it an AR story, just add a good caption and press publish. To see your AR story in 3D Bear feed, we need to get off from the editor by pressing the X on the top left corner. There you go. That's how easy it is to make your reality and share it with others.
Now, I hope it was clear. Like I have on my phone the 3D Bear app. Now, what am I going to do is, see, I have my 3D Bear app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to point it towards a space. So let's say I'll just do it on my phone and then take a picture and show you. So I'm pointing it towards something on the dining table, and then I am then bringing an animal on my dining table. Yes, it is 3D Bear, Aditya. So I have got, now I would like to show you from here. If you can see, okay, just 1 minute. I will take a screenshot and then show you. So see, there is a flower bunch which I've posted on the glass. So the flower was on my, as a sticker in the 3D Bear app. Glass was plain. So I have stick that on my glass. So what you can do using this app, point it towards anywhere in your room, then take a 3D object. So maybe let's say you take a dinosaur. So it would feel as if dinosaur is climbing on your wall. So you can actually bring the 3D models into your real environment. Would somebody like to share the experience if you are trying? So I'm putting the name to Cool Shashwat. So this is 3D Bear. I've given the name in the chat window, right? Try this. I would show you once again. So see how you can do this. Let me share the screen. Now, see, I would just show the first app video again, which I showed, which tells about the procedure. Those of you
does
missed
more than catch errors. With Grammarly,
Just
you
give me
can find
one.
really good, no, perfect words that make your writing sharp.
Just give me
or
1 minute.
explicit, or excellent, or distinctive.
Hello teachers, I'm Rohit Kumar. I'm taking over this session instead of my mom. I'm here to share my knowledge about this app called AR Lupa.
Okay, now you see the app once again, the demo video, and then I have given you also demo. I hope now you'll be able to try something in 3D Bear. So let me increase the volume. and share it full screen. So basically you see in this ad, first of all, after installing the app, you have to point your front camera towards where you are sitting. Like this app is there in my mobile phone. So I can, capture, show it where I can point to my wall, I can point somewhere. So it would show my environment. And then I have to select a 3D model and place it in my environment wherever I want. We have animated models also, still models also. So like I was pasting a sticker on my glass. If you want moving models, you can take movie models and then record a video, and then you can share your video story, which by bringing the 3D elements in your real environment, right? Can you say a yes to me in the chat window if this was clear? I'll give the URL of Shashwat. If you have any question, please put it in the chat window, beta. Say yes in the chat window if it's not clear. Apurvi, what is that you want to know, bacha? What should I repeat for you? So I'm giving the link of the website where you can go if you are on laptop, and if you are on mobile, you can download the 3D Bear app. But if you are on your laptop, here is the link which is in the chat window. You can get the app from there. How to start 3D Bear. So you have to download the app from Play Store or App Store. Else what you can do is, if you are on a laptop, I am just showing. Beta, those who are Android users, you can go to Play Store. Those who are iPhone user, you can go to App Store and you can download the 3D Bear app. For web app, you will find the application and resources, but if you want to work out the practical, please download the app in your mobile phone, right? Okay, great. Could you try bringing things in your physical space? Shashwat, let me know if you could do something with that. Okay, when you are pointing, it is coming, no? 3D Bear. Yes, you downloaded the app. Now hit the plus button, small plus button, which is in the center of the screen. Then point your camera to your house, something you are pointing to monitor. You pointed that side. You pointed towards that side. Show something out in your room, and then take a 3D object from the bottom, add it in your room, and then work. Is it clear? Is it clear, beta? Is everybody clear? What you can't access, have you given permission to your camera app, beta? You have to give permission to your camera app. But as I said, it has to be downloaded in the mobile. There is mobile app, not the web app. Now I'm repeating the last part of AR/VR, which I showed you in the first class. How many of you have Windows 10 or 11 laptop? Can you say yes in the chat window? Yes, Shashwat, now you are right. So if you are on Windows, Okay, so I'm showing one trick which I showed in the first class also, in case you have forgotten. That's related to, again, AR, VR. Go to Photos app on your computer. So I'm showing by screen sharing. Let me just show. That's again an AR, VR trick. So you can open the Photos app. Click here and say Photos. If you have Windows 10 or 11, the Photos app is built in. It should be there. Click on Photos app and pick up any video. Suppose you have any video in your computer, take that video. Suppose I'm taking this video. Now, take any normal video which you have on your laptop. Then go to Edit, More, and click on Add Animated Text. So you can add some animated text on the video. So it's opening the editor. So you can write the text. It says new text style. Try. So I can type here. So suppose I'm writing message for my teachers. So this boy is saying something related to the teachers. We can select the font. So this has come. If you want to choose any other style, let's say cartoon style. So this would come. If you want impact style. So there are different styles. Suppose cinema. First one was better. I'll take this one only. This effect, if you want this message to come this long, not the full video, you can bring it. So this is first part of it. You can then select where it should come, on top of the video, at the bottom. So at the bottom is fine, or towards this side. You can decide that, then say done. Now suppose you can export it in high quality or whatever. After that, if you want to make some after this, if you wish to add any other 3D effect, you click here, add 3D effect, and then you can take the effects from here. So for example, if you want, while he's speaking, this to come in the background, so you can have it here, Camphity Blast. And then if you want this effect to be longer, or for some time, maybe while he's sharing some good news, you want this to come. So we can bring it here and say this would go till here. After that, so after every edition, you can, save a copy of it and export the effects. It takes some time to export. So the idea to tell you this is you can add as many 3D effects into a video, as many you can, using the Photos app. You can also bring, let me just cancel it because it will take a lot of time. So I just see the message one is coming.
These lines to all those.
I'll do one last modification. I'll go to add 3D effects. And here, if you want 3D library, let's say you wanted some image to come here. So suppose I want a gift pack to be kept aside. So suppose you want this one. So this gift pack to come here, right? Now suppose if you want to play it, so see, this is here, right? if you wanted some more effects, let's say we wanted news to go live, so you can bring it here. You can stretch it long so that this effect is here.
I owe these lines to all those teachers. I owe these lines to all those teachers who are tirelessly working day and night to ensure that we learn and grow in a holistic way. Teacher mere to kamal ke jadugar hai.
Now, did you see that while he's speaking, we have added the effects and it's looking as if he's in the newsroom, right? And we have added text also. So Photos app, okay, bacha, you put your queries in the chat window. You have photos but you don't have video, then you can record a video. So those of you who don't have a video on your system, I'm showing you a trick. So you go to any video. Let's say this video was there. So suppose, which I showed you, you go to any video and say that video short ad. So suppose हमने video short advertisement you have written, any video short advertisement, let's say you have written. Now you go to any advertisement app and click there, which is on YouTube. For example, this app is there on YouTube. Now, in order to download the app,
Hi there. Thanks for
so you
stopping
go
by.
to first YouTube, and in order to download the app from YouTube, what you need to do is you need to put a
Thanks for
word.
stopping by. I'm going to explain.
You need to put the word SS from here. Here you just put the word SS. SS means save from web. Then your video would come. You can download this video. Then this video would come on your system. So I'm downloading this video.
Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to
So the moment you click on download, so the video would start to download on your computer, right? So it's coming download. I can download. The video would come to my computer. Now, once I have the video in the download folder, even if I do not have videos in my Photos app, I can go to download folder of my computer, select the video which I just downloaded, right click on it and say open with Photos app. So I click on open with and I say Photos.
Hi there. Thanks for stopping
Now
by.
it has opened with Photos. I can now edit it. I can say edit more and say edit 3D effects. And then my new video would come here. So suppose I wanted this foreigner
Hi there.
to be speaking in the newsroom. So I can bring breaking news. So breaking news is come here. I can put it here. And I can set how long it should be on the screen. So I can set the duration.
Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to explain how to make a great video.
Right. I hope it's clear, beta. Somebody was saying you do not have a video. Can you manage a video now? Right? So if you do not have a video, you can download any video from YouTube by writing SS against it. It will come to your system. Then you can edit it and you can save a copy. Now, some of you are asking the link for Code India Code and the link for your certificate. I'm putting both the links in the chat window. So once your video is ready, you can export it and you can rename it. Maybe if it's your final video, you can name it as final. You can add multiple effects also. It's not that you can just add one effect. You can add as many effects as you want. After this, I just show you one more effect. So it takes some time to install. That's why I'm leaving it. Otherwise, we will lose on time. I'm just showing you if you want to add multiple effects. So you can even go to edit more and add slow motion effects. So you have some slow motion effects also. If you want this to go in slow motion.
I owe these lines.
So you have these effects to what speed it should go. So you can add these effects and you can, set from how long to how long you need slow motion. You must have seen this in the movie Three Idiots, the slow motion effects. So I'm showing you little faster. Now see the slow motion.
Ensure that we learn and grow in a holistic.
Clear? Is this clear to everyone? Okay. Right? Great, Aditya. Sounds like a cow. If you would have seen the movie Three Idiots, the same effects was used there multiple times, right? So it's called slow motion effects. So once you have added multiple effects, you can save a copy of the video, right? And you can bring it to your computer. Now, two things I need to give you. One is the link of the link for uploading your certificates for which you have done for code blocks. Make code, sorry, the certificates. I'm putting the link in the chat window. And second thing, so here is your link. And second link, I would request.
I owe these lines to all those teachers. I owe these lines to all.
Just give me 1 sec. I am putting the link in the chat window.
Day and night to ensure that we learn and
Link to upload the certificate is in the chat window. I hope you can see it now, right? Okay. And Sushmita, if you are here, they want the link of the certificate once again. Can we share in the chat window?
Yes. Yes, Sonia ma'am, I'll be putting the assessment link here. So student have to submit their assessment within 24 hours, then only they will be getting a certificate. So 1 second ma'am, I'll be keeping the link.
No worries. So you will, even after finishing many assignment, but you will get the certificate now. So there is one certificate for the for the entire camp. So today the form link that you will get, once you will submit it, then only you will get the certificate, right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now I want to show the name of the people from my screen and we want to congratulate you. Those who have completed the hour of code on. This is, these are the people: Saranya, Siddesh, Ananya, Mahika, Vinaya, Shirish, Ranveer, Nishita, and Shashwat. Congratulations to all of you for completing your certification for hour of code. Well done, and we hope that you will complete now for this last activity also, the camp certificate. But once you will submit the form, you will receive your certificate. Ma'am has just given the assessment form link. Shashwat, I am checking your video, what you have made. So let me just check what Shashwat has shared. Shashwat, it's just downloading. I'll check it. and let you know how it is. Before we close for the day, can I want people to type in the chat window and tell me the 3 best things that they learned during the camp? Oh, this is amazing. I would show it to everyone. Shashwat, if you don't mind. Shashwat, if you don't mind, can I show it to everyone? Can you say yes? Can I show it to everyone by sharing my screen? Okay, so I'll just show it to everyone. Shashwat, I hope you don't have any problem. Okay. Even if Aditya, you knew everything before, is there anything that you learned that excited you? Okay, I'm just showing the video shared by Shashwat just now. Okay, here it is, and just see this. I hope you can see my screen. Good, Shashwat. Nice. Nishita, if you are unable to upload, no problem. You can mail it to me and I'll give you my email ID in the chat. Right? So Shmita, can you put one email ID in the chat? If those who could not upload the certificate, they will mail us.
Sure, sure.
Aradhya, congratulations. You got 2 certificates. You will get the certificate for the camp once you'll complete the assessment. Other children are discussing about the certificates which they have received by completing the RF and make code. So they completed some courses on Tinker and Make Code. That's what they have done. So those who want to do a recap of the platforms that you have learned in 4 days, I'm putting the name in the chat window. You can, have a look at that. You can copy paste them on your computer so that in case you don't forget. And we had also done about microbits. Just see the chat window. Anything, am I forgetting anything that you did and I forgot to mention? Saranya, good. Merge cube. Yes, I missed the merge cube. Merge cube, if you want me to show quickly, I am just telling. You are showing in your camera. Just 1 minute, Bitam. Let me use the large gallery view. If you are showing me your merge cube in the camera. Just 1 minute. Bacha, I am not able to see you. Can you turn off your camera and turn on once again? Then maybe I'll be able to check it. Good children, those who have submitted the form, we truly believe that you would have gained something out of the camp. We wish to see you back again in the summer camp, summer curiosity camp, so that we can interact at for a longer duration. It will be for 18 hours and you will learn so many new things. So don't forget to sign up for the curiosity camp, avail your discount using the code and come back so that you can learn new things. Ananya, that's really great if you made your this thing merge cube on your own. Yes, Aditya, I'll be waiting to see you many more children coming back during the summer break. All the best for your year-end examination, and I wish to see you soon during the camp in the month of April or May, whatever camp you join, right? camp will be online, not offline, because you all are from distant locations. Somebody will be joining the camp from Delhi, somebody would be joining from Mumbai, somebody may be in Bangalore. So it's not feasible to do a physical camp. It will be online, right? You can upload your certificates. The link is open. You can upload in next 3-4 days, not a problem. Yes, I know your school is online, offline, but that's in your city and we have students from multiple cities. Bye-bye. Thank you, everyone. See you again. Thank you so much.
Students, I would request you to kindly what we call submit your assessment within 24 hours. So then only you will receive your certificate of participation. And then this summer we are launching summer camp, Curiosity Summer Camp, which is in association with the Wissenaire IIT Bhubaneswar. So especially for we are giving 20% discount on that. So if you are interested, click on the link and try to register for Curiosity Summer Camp. So here you will receive a certificate from Wissenaire IIT Bhubaneswar, and you will have a fun-filled summer break.